Have you ever looked up at the night sky and marveled at the mesmerizing light show of the Northern Lights? A spectacle that dances across the sky in ribbons of color. The Northern Lights, or aurora borealis, is a natural phenomenon that has captivated humankind for centuries. Found predominantly in the high-latitude regions near the North and South Poles, these lights are a wondrous sight to behold. But they are not just a pretty face. The Northern Lights are a result of collisions between charged particles from the sun that enter the Earth's atmosphere. Their ethereal glow, their mysterious rise and fall, all contribute to a fascinating spectacle that leaves viewers spellbound. And yet, there's more to this light show than meets the eye. Over the course of this video, we will delve deeper into the mystery and uncover 3 astonishing facts about the Northern Lights. But what is it that makes these lights dance across the sky in such an awe-inspiring way? Believe it or not, the sun plays a key role in the creation of the Northern Lights. Now you might be wondering, how can the sun impact us when it's not even in sight? Well, brace yourself for a fascinating fact. The Northern Lights, or the aurora borealis, are intimately tied to the sun's activity. It all begins with solar flares, those intense bursts of radiation that the sun often releases into space. These flares carry along a plethora of charged particles, which embark on a journey across the vast expanse of space. As they reach Earth, they collide with our planet's magnetic field. This collision triggers a light show like no other, resulting in the breathtaking spectacle we know as the Northern Lights. The colors, the movement, the spectacle. It all springs from the interaction of solar particles with our planet's magnetic field. So, the next time you see the Northern Lights, remember, you're witnessing the sun's power, even at night. Ever wonder why the Northern Lights display a variety of colors? Well, the answer lies in the unique dance between charged particles and the Earth's atmosphere. It's a masterpiece of science unfolding right before our eyes. You see, when charged particles from the sun collide with gases in our atmosphere, they create energy. This energy is released in the form of light, and the color of that light depends on the type of gas the particles interact with. For instance, oxygen at about 60 miles up gives off a green hue, the most common color. Higher altitude oxygen, about 200 miles above Earth, produces a rare red glow. Meanwhile, nitrogen creates blue or purplish red colors. This dazzling array of colors is not random, but a direct result of the scientific processes occurring miles above us. So the Northern Lights are not just a light show, but a colorful dance of science in the night sky. Did you know that some people claim to hear sounds during the Northern Lights display? This leads us to the 3rd astonishing fact about the Northern Lights: the mysterious sounds associated with them. Now, you might be wondering, how can lights produce sounds? Well, it's a question that's been puzzling scientists for centuries. Some people, particularly those who live in the far north, swear they've heard faint whispers, rustling like silk, or even clapping sounds during intense displays. However, the scientific community remains divided on this phenomenon. Some researchers believe these sounds could be due to atmospheric changes, while others think it might be our brains playing tricks on us, linking the visual spectacle to an auditory experience. It's a debate that's still ongoing, with no definitive answers yet. But one thing is for sure, these alleged sounds, whether real or imagined, only add to the enigma of the Northern Lights, making them even more fascinating. Whether real or imagined, these sounds add another layer of mystery to the Northern Lights. So, there you have it, 3 astonishing facts about the Northern Lights. We've journeyed through the science and the spectacle, unraveling the mystery behind this celestial display that has awed humanity for centuries. We've learned how the sun, our very own star, plays an integral role in creating these lights, sending charged particles hurtling towards Earth to interact with our planet's magnetic field. This cosmic dance lights up our atmosphere, creating the stunning aurora we know and love. We've also explored the rainbow of colors that this spectacle can produce, from soft pinks to vibrant greens, all thanks to different types of gas particles in our atmosphere. And let's not forget the mysterious sounds, an enigmatic symphony that accompanies the visual display, still a subject of ongoing scientific debate. The next time you gaze upward at the Northern Lights, you'll know a bit more about the science and mystery behind this natural spectacle.